Hello everyone. Today we look into how to install a Drupal instance using Composer. I'm referring to the documentation in drupal.org. So it is a highly recommended documentation which you have to go through for all the Composer related things in Drupal. So as per this documentation, we can create a project in Drupal using the command here, Composer, create project, Drupal recommended project, and the project name. So this project name can be changed as per our requirement. Currently, I'm not doing that. So let's execute the command here. So once you execute the command, you can see that the latest version of Drupal has been installed, which is 10.2.7, and it is also installing the required dependencies of Drupal recommended project. So once it is installed, it is showing all that the code base has been installed, and it's returning a positive response. Like the next step is to install the site. So let's see what is there in this project code base, and move into the project site, sorry, in the folder, and see what is there. It is having the composer.jsn file, the composer.log file, the vendor directory, and the web directory. This is of the latest version 10.2.7. If suppose you want to execute or you want to install the a specific version of Drupal other than the latest one, in that case you will have to specify the command like this. You will have to specify the version of the command like this, like 9.3 or whatever version it is. So I'm not doing that. And you can also change the project name and whichever name that you want to. So that is how it is. And now suppose if you want to change the web root, then you can install the code base with only composer.json and composer.log file using the no install keyword, and then you can specify the web root as well. So I'll just go back one folder up and then uh, install a site. Okay, I'll change the name as well, my site, and then I'm using the keyword minus minus no install, and I'm installing the project. Now if I go into the project, I can see that it is only having the composer.json and composer.log files. So let's see how we can do that. I'm opening the project. Okay, so here I have to change. So I'm changing this to root, and I am changing everything, every folder root path as root instead of web inside the installer paths. So once I've done that, I'll save this and go back to the terminal, and what I will do is I will do composer install here. So once I hit composer install, you can see that my web root has been changed. So suppose I am in this here, just a minute, I'll show you that you can see my root web folder has been changed. The root of the name of the web folder has been changed to root, and every installation paths have also been changed, like all the folders here specified here has been reduced. So this is how you can do this. Thank you.